Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Alina and I am not your typical Romanian language teacher. Today we will learn two expressions, but first, here is my partner for today. You have already met him, you have already seen him in one of my previous videos, but let me tell you some things about him. He is 8 years old. His name is Jesse, also known as Jesu. I just wanted his name to sound more masculine. What I can tell you about him is that he's very loving. He's very sweet, but also he's overconfident because he sees himself as a bear and definitely not a dog his size. Dulce, scump, iubitor. Dulce, scump, iubitor. I will tell you what the first expression is and you will understand why I'm using Jesse today. The first expression is viață de câine. Viață de câine. Viață de câine means a hard and unhappy life. Well, let's see. Of course, you can use it with its meaning, which is a hard and unhappy life, but you can use it as well, ironically, with the exact opposite meaning. The second expression we are learning today is a tăia frunză la câini. A tăia frunză la câini. It literally means don't forget that I will be posting one video every day for the rest of the week. So don't forget to subscribe so that you can see the videos right when I upload them. Thank you for watching. Bye.